Tell someone to tell someone. If you're a student in Abia Polytechnic, get ready. Get ready, something is about to happen. And guess what?
VATHOS Technologies is hosting a 2-day tech and digital skill training, and we are going to be covering a lot of tech courses and digital skills such as cyber security, data analytics, ethical hacking, AWS cloud computing, web development, and data analysis. In digital training, we are going to be covering smartphone graphic design, smartphone video editing, and smartphone AI video generation. Alright, by the end of this event, by the end of this program, at least you are going to be mastering one skill and learning how to monetize this skill. You are going to be learning how to secure clients abroad. You're going to learn how to apply for skills, apply for jobs abroad, and the rest. So thank you guys, don't miss out to this event. See you soon.
Alright guys, you have heard from the CEO of VATHOS Technologies. Tell someone to tell someone. See you there.